Hi everyone, I'm Jackie, the product manager of Advantech Industrial Wireless Solution, or you can call it AIW. Welcome to join today's webinar. I will be introducing what is AIW, what kind of solution we can offer to the market, as well as some new trend of wireless technology. Why do we feel needs of building a dedicated product line for wireless solution here at Advantech? Because most of the IPC companies in the industrial have no clue of how to step into the world of IoT. To harness those trendy technologies such as AI, big data analysis, and cloud service require powerful and stable wireless connectivity technique to transmit massive data in real time. In order to solve this issue for the whole industry, AIW offers the mainstream wireless modules from Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 4G LTE, 5G, and LoRa for a variety of IoT applications. Also, we deliver the professional design service along with the product, which I will explain more later. In sum, Advantech Industrial Wireless Solution team aims to provide comprehensive product offering and high-quality service. Speaking of quality, what I want to emphasize first is how we attach great importance to production procedures. Select the right IC for module design is very crucial, but how the manufacturers assemble the part is also important. Advantech selects suppliers who can realize automatic production procedure from the very beginning to achieve the high accuracy and reliability. This hands-free workflow allows us to reduce human error, while the traceable manufacturing mechanism speed up the pace of the identifying a mistake afterward. Through these two key procedures, we manage to offer our customers reliable products. Given the circumstance in the industry that there are so many different hardware and software configurations in the IPC market, we can not only consider about the module side, because different IC solutions release different drivers by different OS. Some IC product line only support Windows OS, while some can only function under Linux platform. Not to mention about if you include the device driver porting into consideration. There is a very variety of bus interface, like PCIe, USB, and SDIO need to be integrated. It is absolutely not an easy job for our customers. Advantech Wireless team don't want them to suffer any of those. So we launched a highly integrated platform to be compatible with Microsoft, Android, and Linux. If you ask what's the most distinguishable characteristic make Advantech Wireless solution stand out, I will answer it is the abundant experience in the field, entitle us to provide the customer the right product feature. Module which can endure the extreme operating temperature from the minus 40 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius. The industry-level equipment need to remain stable wireless throughput performance in harsh environment, or with special system like fanless design. While the temperature feature, the module can stop our customer from the warning device being malfunction. So far, we have covered the topic like how do we monitor the production process, integrate various operation systems, and then develop the water temperature series module. In this slide, I'd like to talk about what kind of professional wireless design service we can offer to help our customer quickly develop an intelligent platform with wireless function. First, we provide a complete IF certification design package, including IF testing tools, certification, report, and a testing tool application note to assist our customer quickly get regulation certification for different IF technology, such as CE, FCC, PCRB, and more. Secondly, we can help customers to redesign the antenna to get better performance. Third, we also offer the 4G LTE connection management tool. By using this tool, engineers do not need to study different wireless solution-related LTE command documents. It will reduce the product development cost for our customer internal engineer team. Last but not least, Advantech helps customers select the suitable wireless platform with the right modulation, transmission power, and the receiving signal protocol that match their application. But even we have provided a full range of module solutions to the market, our customers still have struggled to get the right antenna and the cable and the need to pass related certification before shipping to their client. It is an extremely time-consuming process that only few manufacturers are able to handle. To make the whole process easier, faster, and self-certification related effort for our customers, Advantech Wireless team wants to present you the ready-to-use wireless kit. One is EWN W192 for Wi-Fi Bluetooth. Another is EWN W186 for 4G LTE Cat 16. These kits all contain a piece of module, cable, and antenna, which have passed the CE/RED in the EU, FCC in the US, and IC in Canada. So we solve the problem that our customers frequently encounter: how to match appropriate antenna with the right cable. What is the right antenna connector type? Additional, we provide suitable cable lengths to match most IPC systems, as well as a dipole antenna to assemble with most for IPC platforms. Therefore, our customer will be free from worrying to meet the MOQ or lead time issue to get the proper set of module, antenna, and cable. Furthermore, for FCC and IC, system product can leverage this kit IF certification directly and do not need to do the IF-related test again. For CE/RED, most of the main IF-related tests can leverage from this kit, but only need to pass the system-level ENC-related test. This kit can save at least 2 or 3 months' time to the market and the main cost about the certification. And another great news is, if you are interested in this kit, they are already available for orders. Before introducing our 5G and Wi-Fi 6 module, allow me to wrap up the first half of this webinar with one of our successful cases in the medical device application. The Wi-Fi Bluetooth EWN W163, the module used the M.2 form factor with the Qualcomm 61748 IC solutions, which show the high quality and a solid reliability to meet the medical device requirements. The module has already got the worldwide IF certification, so our customers don't need to have it tested again. It is also compatible with Advantech SOM's main board and a carrier board. With this total package, our customer managed to win the case and integrate it with on-site ultrasound equipment very smoothly. Now, you have seen how we help our customer to win real business opportunity with a reliable product and a thorough design service. We want to show you more exciting information about our upcoming new product. the AIW355 5G module, and the AIW162 Wi-Fi 6 Plus BT4 5.1 module. AIW355 uses Qualcomm X55 with the new M.2 KB 3052 form factor and the PCIe bus interface. This module will be ready for order around Q4 this year, and the AIW162 follow the standard M.2 3230 AE key form factor and have the 2T2R antenna, which can provide a high throughput performance compared with the current Wi-Fi 5 solution. This module will also be ready for order around Q4 this year. Next, I want to show you the update product roadmap of AIW. As I mentioned in the first slide, Advantech wireless solution cover the most common used wireless connectivity, such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 4G LTE, 5G, and LoRa. In the first half of 2020, we will launch 3 new modules, which are the AIW152, the Wi-Fi Bluetooth combo module, feature a wide range of temperature, endured fit harsh operating environment, and the fanless system. The AIW344, the 4G LTE mini PCIe full-size module, also feature a wide range of temperature endurance fit outdoor application. And the last one is AIW202, the GNSS module, features highly precise position function. I want to close this webinar with Advantech provide LoRa solution and some of its application. Not only wireless module, we also provide the WISE 3610, the LoRa gateway, and WISE 1510, the LoRa module for low power application. This solution comes with the starter kit and the software development kit, which enable our customer to build a proof of concept product quickly to verify their application. We have been helping our worldwide customers to acquire on-site data from places like bridge, the building, the fish farm, to their solution. They can easier manage a device with the built-up network server or to transmit data via an MQTT broker also. To embrace the wave IoT can sometimes be intimidating, but outcomes could be rewarding. So, if you are interested in taking the first action, please don't hesitate to contact your local Advantech sales team. Thank you.